Meaning of gab.
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 Gab. Gab can have multiple meanings depending on the context. As a verb, it means to talk or chat informally and comfortably. As a noun, it refers to idle talk or chatter. In the context of social media, it specifically refers to the social networking platform where users can engage in discussion on a variety of topics. Gab has been controversial for its association with far-right groups and lack of moderation, leading to the spread of hate speech. Overall, Gab can be seen as a platform that promotes free speech but at the same time creates a space for the spread of harmful content.